to bust a save real quick and then we'll keep going?
That's just how we'll, yeah, that'd be cool to get the...
Just super duper use for news, a number we could do the shoot for. The boy, does he become a man the moment he produced a looper? Does he go oops and go proclaim that he's been duped a loser? The blue Buddhists are rooting for you to prove it. You starting a fresh beat?
Yeah, I'm trying. It's like not playing my audio for some reason.
What the fuck?
I don't know what it's doing.
Dude, I learned yesterday that Calvin works at the Apple Store and he gets 25% off. Yeah, I'll take a little dissy when I can guess it.
Yo, Siri, set a timer for 20 minutes. Alright, we're gonna start with that. We got 20 minutes. This is number 6 Van Projecto. Got this audio back up and running. Now, we got to start some shit.
Fire.
Chairs. This thing's actually a chair too if anyone wants to sit on that shit.
Boisterman, boisterman, bows, boasting off his lotions.
Oh, that's my boy. At it right away. That's what I like to see. Grab a mic cable out of the bin and we can add some weird shit like this or the little
yeah,
we could add like some shaker like this or something I brought.
Dude, that box is on. I like the sound of this box.
It's cool. And then I brought a little steel drum because I thought you might like it. I'll show you. But yeah, I got a mic right here outside the van. I just gotta get a mic cord out of this box. So
oh, that's so nice. Yo, I'm gonna cook this groove.
Yeah, yeah. And then, right,
That's what you want. Let's get it cooking. We got to get back up into the grocery store. Got the oranges and they're waiting for the roast tomorrow. I said, please, when we get inside this deep, we gotta sit and drop a beat, please. I wanna let it know, get a little bass line. I see when I'm gonna say, hey, that's fine. I wanna let you know how we gonna do it. Got the bass in the van with the stew in.
yeah, dudes.
You got a 7 here, dude?
Yeah, it's under the back.
Ooh, I like that.
So it's like these tiny little threes, which would normally be really horrible, but then it's connected to a Mackie sub that's for a home studio,
Boom.
and it all works together, so you get all the low tone and some high tones. This is like good enough, you know?
That's all you need.
Yeah. Powered by like a separate little Gold Zero in the trunk for the sub, you know what I mean? So then I turn that on back there, and the sub turns on, and then it's wired. Alright. So I built my shit like, there's a couple kicks right here.
Yep, nice.
And then some snares. So it can be like.
Yeah, you got
And then
all
this
the
got
sounds.
this like repeat shit here. So then you got like let's say hi hat. Then you go 8th note, and then you could be like 16th, and then you could be like. So it makes hi hats like super easy when you have this repeat button on. Otherwise, you turn it off and just do drums.
Yeah.
But if you don't like that kit, there's like 20 of them right here, so you can see different drum kits without having to like find individual drums or whatever.
That's pretty all we need.
All right.
Crazy having multiple kicks too.
Should we do like a sound of this? I mean, to be up in your business. Should we do a sound of like this thing or something?
Yeah, I guess let's catch that kick snare here first.
And then do this little bell thing, the whole rusty drum.
Oh, got that little swingy. Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah, see the repeat thing's sick, bro. You
Yeah.
just fuck with this section and do whatever, different shit. Yeah. And you just fuck with the note styles there. Yeah, there you go.
I like those like clean kicks with like not too much going on top, so they leave a lot of space. Yeah.
Yeah, let's try that. Opa, that's not what I needed.
Do you know about this capture MIDI thing? So like if you just play it and you're not recording and then you just stop and press this, it's always tracking whatever you press last without hitting record.
That's funny.
So you can just like, you know, audition
Catch it,
shit and then
yeah.
you just, are you like auditioning it? You're like, wait, that was actually fire. You just hit that and then it's always in there. Whatever you last pressed there. Yeah. So that was cool. You want to do those kicks though?
Yeah, I got you. I'll do it right now.
Don't bring it with the kick, get it. That first one had a little extra on it too.
Yeah, good.
Oh, it's getting cooking, dude.
I know. We're doing it. But for now, we'll do this little shaker. You ready?
Yep.
All right, let's go. Oh, let's see these ones first.
Can you find that fucking dun, dun, dun,
We're gonna find it.
real
Good, Mike. Let's see.
Got you. That's cool. Yeah, like if you just riff off of it, that could be fun. Yeah, yeah.
All right, ready?
Yeah, here.
Like that?
Ooh, you were just going off. Yeah, that was cool. That was cool.
Alright, we gotta bust a save real quick and then we'll keep going.
That's the type of looky. Yeah, that'd be cool to get the sub to go.
Make a random ass, oh yeah, we'll throw a bass in there. I'll help you do that right now. But do, what's the name?
What's the name? Feels good.
You know what would be
Yeah,
cool
dude.
is you guys to set up an episode with like Blake and Jordan and do like Instrument Garden X.
Oh yeah, we should definitely do that.
Yep. That would
No.
be crazy.
Yeah, like we kind of didn't talk too much yet, but this episode 6 of the van episode, we got Tyler right here. He's doing some craziness. We got the van going, but yeah, Instrument Garden is something that he created and has grown. It's another cool project where they teach young people, or any people actually, that walk up just about music and how to create music. So what a beautiful thing. But let's make an Instrument Garden episode coming up here, you know what I'm saying? All right, let's see.
Everything is the Instrument Garden, SpiL.
Hey, you know what I'm saying?
We're always in the garden.
Always.
Perpetually gardening.
Alright, I just gotta press 1 more time. No. and I've been riding round. I ride around town now, they've been trying to find out. I bump it through the stereo now. Yeah, it's super loud, and they really trying to find out like a ooh, yeah, I'ma hit it with the fans off, get the audio, but now it's heating up real high. Now we better turn this bitch up to 110, huh? It's like what?
You're gonna bump the tree. I want you to just find yourself free. And then you're gonna get the booty bows. But you're gonna climb that tree. I just see you falling down the branches in the wind and the climb those trees. I just wanna see you in the street and you deliver the cheese. There's 3 words. There's 3 words. Don't you see?
And loop the hook part so you can do whatever you want.
Do the best and the da da. Don't you see? Cause you got everything that you need to succeed. Like the wind and the trees and the leaves. You got everything that you need. Like the wind and the leaves and the trees.
Let's see that one first.
Yeah, I kind of want to hear if it sounded, but I don't know. What do you think?
I like it. I don't know what the exact words are, but that bird was tight.
These are the words. Hey, birds.
Yeah, I thought that was basically what it was. I love it. Maybe we'll try one more time. Just do it
You
one
think
more.
that last note is hidden?
I don't know. Let's listen to it. You can back it up, honestly. You want to
Sure.
back it up?
Yeah. Oh, we got some Wayne. Lil Wayne. Just Lil Wayne.
It's okay. You want to do it right there? It's cool.
Yep. Here's the trees, don't you see? That you got everything that you need to succeed. In the wind and the leaves and the trees. Let's start with that. Gage, can we call upon our studio vocalist?
Built a little stand. Yeah.
Smart.
Got a whole
Very
shower
cool.
and toilet.
Yeah, this is epic. This is very
Thank you.
nice.
Thank you.
Yeah. So you want me to listen to it first?
Yeah, just listen to it and you'll hear like where I'm trying to put the words. I think you'll be. The melody is on the instruments too, so you can hear the melody where you're harmonizing with.
Do whatever you want. It don't gotta be perfect.
Yeah,
you
just
know?
run it a
It's
few
okay.
times and see if you
Yeah.
can find it.
So we just
All right.
here, huh?
It's easy peasy. You got it.
Don't you see? Don't you see? Too sexy. Don't you see? Too sexy.
I like what you did though.
Don't you see that you got everything that you need? Too sexy, like the wind and the leaves and the trees. I did it!
You did it! You guys, you got that slow-mo flavor still too.
Yeah.
You ever heard of Slobo Cop? It's like Shlobo Cop.
Chlobo.
Dude, it's
I'll
so
have to send
tight.
me some. I
Yeah,
don't
it's
know
like
it.
this
Very,
kind of
like-
speed and this like female vocalist that's like rapping with this epic swagger and
Love
it's just crazy.
That sounds tight.
Ring a ling a ling ding a ding dong. Fuck a nigga fuck a fun fong song. You got bars? About having what you need to succeed?
Yes, you do.
Bars.
Yeah, no, it's fun. Thanks.
Yeah, you did great.
Yeah.
It's fun making music in like random van, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
Don't
I
make
just
no
always
sense.
am like so shy. Like I love singing. I know I'm okay at it. It's
Yeah.
just like getting up in front of
It was
people.
good.
Yeah.
You did
Thanks.
good. Yeah.
Thanks.
So many bad singers out there. You have nothing to worry about. Let's hear it.
Yeah. Just want to bounce at it.
got Tyler on some different drums and some different keys. We got me on some drums and bass. We got 2 people on the vocals, Tyler and his lady. We got people singing. We got people creating. You know, that's what I'm saying. We got that episode 6. Kaz is over here with the Hawaii shirt. He was starting to write some bars right now. I don't know the next plan, but we're gonna eventually, if not right now, we're gonna get some bars written to this thing. They got the hook on there. So that's van episode 6, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna try to write some bars and then we'll tap back in. Love y'all. Yeah, that's Tyler, Kaz B, and Paige. We got Paige, Tyler, and Kaz B, and SpiL. We're just creating some art in here, some art that you can hear. That's episode 6, you know what I'm saying? But we got it. We're gonna tap in a second with some lyrics, you know?
you